This freezer used to be full of food I was about to use. Not spoiled, not forgotten, just waiting. I didn't need better recipes. I needed a system that could carry the food for me. This is the first Bases episode. Bases aren't meals. They aren't recipes. They're prepared ingredients that remove friction later so food doesn't rot and decisions don't pile up. I used to intend to use food. I bought it with good intentions. I planned meals around it. But everything still needed something from me. A decision, energy, follow through. So the food waited, and the longer it waited, the heavier it felt. That's food paralysis, not laziness. Too many next steps. Bases remove the next step. This stays neutral on purpose. This becomes taco meat on purpose. This chicken doesn't need a plan yet. The system decides later, not me, not today. Using what we already had meant no extra grocery run, no buying duplicates, no panic shopping. This is how money is saved quietly. Not by restriction, by stopping waste. When food becomes basis, it stops rotting while you wait to feel motivated. These bases are meant to be used. If energy allows, we intentionally build meals from them this week. If not, they wait safely. No guilt, no pressure, just availability. This gives us the same flexibility people pay for in meal kits: protein, vegetable, starch, but without delivery schedules, without expiring boxes, without daily decisions. Bases are only one part of the system. On Sunday, I'll be showing the supports, the pieces that make everyday meals easier before you ever get to dinner. That's where the system really starts to carry the house. This isn't about cooking more, it's about carrying less. The system holds the food so I don't have to. As always, steward what you have, serve where you are, prep with purpose.